Hey friends, it's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. If you're just tuning in for the first time, make sure you're liking, subscribing, and turning on that bell for notifications. It takes a lot of work to put these YouTube videos out there for the public to get information on hydrogen water. So we really appreciate you for doing that. All right, in today's video, we're going to be talking about plants and how hydrogen water increases plant growth, how it helps with soil toxicity, how it improves nutrient absorption, and of course, increases the plant resistant to stress, just like our bodies. And you're going to find right up here, they're going to put a little link to our new YouTube channel, Beaver Bark. Because when I was first starting out 15 years ago, I started out my career at Beaver Bark, which is my family's garden center of 30 years. And I got to witness how this water was affecting the plants. We did studies with tomatoes. And we had gardeners coming in side by side. We said, this is tap water, this is the hydrogen water. And they were like, no way, you had to put some kind of chemicals in here. It didn't seem so much up top, but these tomatoes, their roots were white and they were big and there were a lot of them. And that is why it increases nutrient absorption. So if the plant has bigger roots, it can bring more nutrients to the plant, which means bigger growth. And now there's been studies, agricultural studies, this is where this is going, huge studies, 20% growth in tomatoes. 20%. That's huge, that's off the chart, just by adding hydrogen water to the routine. Also, if you have seedlings, if you have little babies or fresh starts, you can soak them in the hydrogen water before you plant them. You can also use them on the leaves here. This is kind of like our skin. When you use this, is our new spray. This is our hydrogen mist. Hydrogen mist, hydro mist. And what it does, it has an anode and a cathode inside, separated by a membrane, which is a PEM, and it's making hydrogen. And on our skin, it helps you produce collagen, which is anti-aging. So the plants love it too. It helps them lower the oxidative stress. You know, the plants, they're breathing, and they're breathing in toxins and free radicals from the environment. So if you use this on their, per se, skin, it's going to help them overcome oxidative stress just like us. So this is very powerful. So I'll put a link up here somewhere and you can go check this little guy out. It's awesome. And then you can also use it on the soil. So with the Hydro Shot here, if you have one of these, great. If not, go over and get one. I'll put a link somewhere here. So this is for our bodies, but if you have one, test it on your plants. Put it in the soil. You're going to start to notice, wow, it's going to help these plants grow faster and they're going to be more disease resistant. So this is very, very powerful. If you have cut flowers, you can put it right in the vase, just like this, and it's going to sustain the plant a lot longer because it's slowing down the aging process. So my goal with the hydrogen water here is to bring it out to the agriculture. It's already being studied. We can already get big units. So if you want to have your lawn, if you want to have, maybe you're a farmer, you want to have your crops, we can do it. You just got to message us and we'll get with our team and we'll find you the right equipment for that. So this is great. This is where the future is going. We got hydrogen in our body for health. We have hydrogen for the plants. We now have hydrogen bikes that have come out. We have hydrogen fueled cars, planes, buses. This is a big deal. It's not just, coming out now. This has been going on for quite a long time. So if you get excited now, the future is very bright in this new hydrogen fuel, and it's green. So you got to drink water anyways. Why not drink the best water? So thank you again for liking, subscribing, turning on the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. I want to make sure you're also commenting below because I always love to see those comments. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.